In this video, I will show you how to create wavy text using Make with Mesh feature in Adobe Illustrator. The first step, type the text you want to add. Then select the font. Set the position and size of the text. On the text color, I use black. Right-click on the text layer, then select Create Outlines. And next, go to Effect in the menu, 3D, Rotate. For the position option, choose Isometric Top. After that, choose Expand Appearance in Object. Ungroup the text layer. Then release Clipping Mask on text. Then delete the path. Copy all text, then paste in place. Change the color of the newly copied text on the top layer. Ungroup text once again if the text is still in the group. If the text is already separated like one by one, then we can use the Make with Mesh feature. Go to Object, Envelope Distort, then choose Make with Mesh. In RAW, I changed it to 3, and columns to 8. To create a wave at that number, use the Direct Selection tool. And now we can adjust the position of the wave through RAW and columns as needed. Here I will do the same for every other number. And the result will be like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in another tutorial.